For centuries, a single power has defined our world. It built empires, fueled revolutions, and decided the fate of nations. This power isn't a king or a government, it's money. And for generations, the keepers of that power have been the banks. Majestic fortresses of marble and steel, they are the gatekeepers of trust. They hold our savings, grant our loans, and dictate the flow of the global economy. Their promise was simple: stability, security, and order. In their world, money was tangible, centralized, and controlled. It was a system built on human institutions, a pact of trust between us and them. But in 2008, that trust was shaken. As the global financial system teetered on the brink of collapse, a new idea quietly emerged from the digital shadows. An anonymous paper, a revolutionary piece of code. It wasn't just a new currency. It was a new philosophy. Trust, it argued, shouldn't be placed in fallible institutions, but in unbreakable mathematics. Trust in code, not people. This was the birth of cryptocurrency. It promised a world without middlemen, a system where transactions were peer-to-peer, transparent, and borderless. A financial revolution built not on vaults and guards, but on a decentralized network of computers. And so the stage was set. Two worlds born from different eras, with fundamentally opposing ideologies, began an inevitable collision course. On one side, the old guard, the titans of traditional finance, standing as pillars of a system that has governed wealth for over a century. On the other, a digital rebellion, a decentralized force challenging the very definition of money. This isn't just a battle over technology. It's a war for the heart of our financial future. The real question isn't just about who will win. It's about what we as a society will choose to trust. Let's step back into the age of banks. For most of modern history, they were the bedrock of our economy. Imagine the world before digital transactions. Money was physical gold, silver, paper bills, meticulously printed by central authorities. Banks emerged as the essential intermediaries. They protected our savings in massive vaults. They created the concept of credit, allowing businesses to grow and families to buy homes. They provided the stability needed for global trade to flourish. Think about it. Every paycheck deposited, every loan application, every swipe of a credit card, it all flowed through their centralized systems. They were more than just financial institutions. They were architects of the modern world. They decided how much money was in circulation, set interest rates that could ripple across the globe, and ultimately held the power to grant or deny financial access. Their authority was absolute because they controlled the ledger. But what happens when that control is questioned? What happens when the trust that underpins their entire system begins to erode? That erosion gave birth to an alternative. In the wake of the 2008 financial crisis, the Bitcoin white paper appeared. It wasn't just a technical document. It was a declaration of independence. Its mission was radical: to create a system of money that didn't require a bank or any third party. It proposed a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, where trust was established not by a central authority, but by a shared, immutable public ledger called the blockchain. This was the dawn of decentralization. Suddenly, value could be sent across the globe as easily as an email, without permission from anyone. It represented a profound shift, from a world of regulated control to one of radical freedom. Visualize it not as coins, but as a network of unbreakable chains, connecting individuals directly, bypassing the old gatekeepers. Crypto didn't just invent new money. It unleashed a new ideology, one that champions transparency, individual sovereignty, and a world where financial power belongs to the many, not the few. The clash was inevitable. The established world of finance could not ignore this digital insurgency forever. The war for money intensified. Banks, once dismissive, began to adapt. We see them now racing to launch their own central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. These are their answer to crypto. Digital versions of their national currencies. But with a crucial difference, they remain centralized. It's an attempt to harness the efficiency of digital technology while retaining ultimate control. On the other side, the crypto world is fighting back. As regulators circle, new innovations like decentralized finance or DeFi are creating an entire parallel financial system built on code, offering everything from loans to insurance without a single bank in sight. The battle lines are drawn. It's a conflict of weaknesses. The notorious volatility and regulatory uncertainty of crypto, versus the centralized control and potential for exclusion of the banking system. This raises the ultimate question for our digital age. Will the disruptive power of freedom survive the grasp of regulation? Or will the old structures of power simply adapt and evolve to absorb the revolution? So, what does the future of money look like? It's unlikely that one side will simply vanquish the other. We are not heading towards a world with only crypto or only banks. Instead, we are witnessing an evolution. The future is likely a hybrid. Imagine a system that combines the best of both worlds. The transparency and efficiency of blockchain technology integrated with the stability and trust of established institutions. A world where your digital wallet interacts seamlessly with your bank account, where international payments are instant and cheap, yet still secure and regulated. The rigid walls separating these two universes are beginning to dissolve. Digital and physical value will flow together, creating a new, interconnected financial ecosystem. In the end, we must remember what money truly is. It isn't just paper, coins, or lines of code. It has always been, and will always be, a shared belief. It's the story we tell ourselves about value. And, as history shows, belief is a powerful force. It always finds a way to adapt, to evolve, and to survive. The war for money is not an endpoint. It is the beginning of its next chapter. If this sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next exploration. What do you think the future of money holds? Let us know in the comments below.